Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on with the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 291. If we start with this box, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 5. No help here, 1, 2, 5. And no help here, 1, 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 5, 3. That 1 makes this our 5. We can get rid of this 5 and this 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got the 2 covering these 2 boxes, so our 2 must be here. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column now we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now we're missing 5 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this column we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 8, 2. If we look at this row now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 5 and 7 here, so 6, 9. 6, 7, and 9 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 9, 6, 7. And that 9 makes this our 5. For this box now we're missing 1 and 3. I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this box we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 7. 7 here, so 2, 9. 2 here, so 7, 9. For this top row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 7, 2, 9. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, So 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.